Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best commercial steam cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Grout Steam Cleaner, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $79.99, this compact and portable steam cleaner is an excellent choice for those who want chemical-free cleaning without breaking the bank. With a 1.69 quart tank and a quick 15-second heat-up time, this little powerhouse delivers steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making it effective at tackling dirt, grease, and grime on a variety of surfaces. It comes with 15 versatile accessories, including brushes, a glass cleaner, gloves, and microfiber pads, ensuring you're well-equipped for any cleaning job. The design is sturdy and made from heat-resistant ABS material, giving it solid durability for continuous use. Its 3-level adjustable steam control allows precise output, and the transparent water tank makes it easy to monitor water levels, despite its compact size. The Grout Steam Cleaner offers impressive reach with a combined 78-inch steam hose and power cord. Whether you're cleaning tile grout, car interiors, or refreshing furniture, this steam cleaner delivers reliable performance for small to medium cleaning tasks. The downside is its limited runtime due to the smaller tank size, which means you may need to refill it more frequently during larger jobs. Additionally, while it's highly portable, it lacks the high-pressure output and advanced features of pricier models. But for under $80, the Grout Steam Cleaner is a fantastic entry-level option for homeowners looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Coming in at number 4 is the ActVac 6-in-1 Rotated Steam Mop Cleaner. Priced at $99.99, this versatile steam mop combines functionality and affordability, making it ideal for homes with hard floors like tile, laminate, and hardwood. With a 1200-watt motor, the ActVac heats up in just 15 seconds and provides up to 30 minutes of high-temperature cleaning, perfect for tackling grease and grime efficiently. It features dual cleaning modes, allowing you to adjust steam output based on your needs. The build quality is excellent, with a detachable 400-milliliter water tank that's easy to refill, and a rotating mop head that offers 180-degree horizontal and 135-degree vertical movement for cleaning tight corners. It comes with 2 machine-washable microfiber pads, 5 interchangeable heads, and an extended 23-foot power cord for convenience. This model excels at cleaning floors, windows, kitchen grease, and even light ironing tasks. Plus, with its adjustable height pole, it ensures a comfortable cleaning experience for users of all sizes. While the ActVac is highly versatile, it's best suited for light to moderate cleaning tasks. The steam pressure and runtime are lower compared to some higher-end models, which may limit its efficiency for heavy-duty jobs. However, its thoughtful design and multifunctional capabilities make it a solid pick for households seeking a dependable steam mop at an affordable price. At number 3, we have the Owoski Steam Cleaner, priced at $189.99. This mid-range option packs a punch with its 50-second rapid heat-up time and a powerful steam output between 230 degrees Fahrenheit and 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring a 0.6-gallon tank, this model allows on-demand refilling without any cooling downtime, making it ideal for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Its detachable 7.2-foot hose and compact design ensure easy storage and maneuverability, while the 21-piece accessory kit offers versatility for everything from tile grout to car detailing. The Owoski Steam Cleaner boasts a sturdy build with premium materials and thoughtful safety features, including heat-resistant gloves for user protection. It's powerful enough to handle heavy-duty tasks, such as removing wallpaper, cleaning ovens, and tackling car interiors. With its dry and wet steam modes, the Owoski adapts to various surfaces and cleaning needs, ensuring thorough and chemical-free results. However, at 5.5 pounds, it's not the lightest option, and the setup might feel overwhelming for first-time users due to the extensive accessory kit. Still, the Owoski Steam Cleaner's combination of power, efficiency, and versatility makes it a top contender for homeowners seeking a reliable mid-tier steam cleaner. Claiming the number 2 spot is the MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner from McCulloch, priced at $192.74. This model is designed for serious cleaning enthusiasts, offering a massive 64-ounce water tank that heats up in 12 minutes and delivers up to 2 hours of steam runtime. With 4 bar, 58 psi pressure, and a maximum temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it's incredibly effective at eliminating grease, grime, and stains across a wide range of surfaces, including tile, grout, appliances, furniture, and even cars. The MC1385 comes equipped with an impressive 23 accessories, including a floor mop, nylon brushes, brass brushes, a squeegee, and more, all conveniently stored on board or in the included bag. Its 18-foot power cord and 7-foot steam hose provide exceptional reach for cleaning hard-to-access areas. The build quality is robust, with a professional-grade feel that inspires confidence in its durability. While it's slightly heavier at 13 pounds and requires a longer heat-up time compared to other models, the MC1385's unmatched runtime and versatile accessory kit make it ideal for tackling large-scale cleaning projects. If you're looking for a steam cleaner that offers professional-grade performance at a reasonable price, this is an excellent choice. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner, priced at $411. This premium steam cleaner is the ultimate choice for deep cleaning carpets, upholstery, and tough stains. Its XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush and powerful 12-amp motor provide unparalleled cleaning performance, removing deeply embedded dirt and grime with ease. The dual-pass cleaning system cleans on both the forward and backward strokes, significantly cutting down cleaning time while ensuring faster drying. The design is rugged and built to last, with large clean and dirty water tanks, 1.75 gallons each, that minimize trips to the sink. It comes with a 9-inch long-reach hose and a 6-inch tough stain tool, making it ideal for targeting hard-to-reach areas. The included Bissell Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology ensures professional-grade results, leaving your carpet spotless and protected against future stains. While it's heavier at 42 pounds and more expensive than other options, the Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is unmatched in its ability to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Whether you're a homeowner with pets, a professional cleaner, or someone who wants the absolute best for their carpets, this steam cleaner is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.